So whether you're implementing Intersect into your practice for the first time or onboarding a new client onto Intersect for the first time, there's one universal rule that we swear by, and that would be that we do not want to cause any frustrations to clients where they might be required to sign off tasks multiple times, and perhaps they are legacy clients of yours, so they've signed documents a while ago, and now purely because we're moving on to new software, all of a sudden they are bombarded with certain tasks requesting them to re-sign those documents. That's just not good practice, right? So the way that we manage that with regards to our public officer appointments is we alert the user to possible non-compliance, and this is possible because you can see in the background that there's no public officer data loaded yet. However, that doesn't mean that you are non-compliant. You could be sitting on all of that information on your file server, it's just not populated onto the Intersect system yet. And the way that you would go about that is you would simply toggle the button that says public officer has already been appointed, and immediately you can see the workflow has now changed and adapted from document generating and task generating workflow, where the public officer would have received documents and a task to go sign and upload certain key documents for SARS. In this case, we've got all of that information already, right? So all we need to do is to quickly add all the public officer details so that our database is up to date. And we are going to marry that with the actual supporting documents. So we stay true to our mandate that Intersect represents a single source of truth platform. In other words, any information that we allow through the front door and that gets added to our database, we always marry that and validate that with the supporting document. So if there's ever any queries in the future, you've got all of that information sitting neatly indexed and categorized on your Intersect platform and already linked to that specific user. So once this is completed, we can now proceed with the appointment, and we've captured all the information and we've also stored all of that neatly in the client's document hub.